Unlawful presence is one of the most confusing immigration topics, and it can have serious consequences if someone does not understand how it works. In simple terms, unlawful presence usually means time spent in the United States without authorization. But immigration law is specific, and not every immigration problem is counted the same way. For example, someone may begin accumulating unlawful presence after their authorized stay expires. This can happen when a person enters the United States with a visa or other permission, but stays beyond the date they were allowed to remain. Unlawful presence matters because it can affect whether someone is allowed to return to the United States after leaving. One of the biggest concerns is the 3-year and 10-year unlawful presence bars. Generally, if someone has more than 180 days but less than 1 year of unlawful presence, leaves the United States and then tries to come back, they may face a 3-year bar. If someone has 1 year or more of unlawful presence and then leaves the United States, they may face a 10-year bar. That is why travel can be a major issue. Some people are focused only on fixing their immigration status, but leaving the United States at the wrong time can trigger a problem they did not expect. Here is a simple example. Imagine someone entered the United States with a visitor visa and was allowed to stay for 6 months. If they stayed after that authorized period ended, they may begin accumulating unlawful presence. If they later leave the United States after too much unlawful presence has built up, they may have trouble coming back. But this topic is not always simple. There may be exceptions, special rules, or facts that change the analysis. Age can matter. Pending applications can matter. The type of entry can matter. Prior immigration history can matter. Removal orders can matter. And some people may confuse being out of status with unlawful presence, even though those are not always exactly the same thing. That is why unlawful presence should be treated carefully, especially before traveling outside the United States or starting a consular processing case. If you think unlawful presence may apply to you, here are a few important questions to ask. When did you enter the United States? Were you inspected or admitted? How long were you allowed to stay? Did you remain after that authorized period ended? Have you ever left the United States after an overstay? Have you ever had a removal order or prior immigration violation? These questions can help identify whether unlawful presence may be an issue, but they do not replace legal advice. My Immigration Helper can help you organize your immigration facts, understand common issues, and identify topics that may need closer review. This video is general educational information and is not legal advice. Immigration rules can be complex, and your specific facts may change the outcome. If unlawful presence may affect your case, consider speaking with a qualified immigration attorney before filing, traveling, or making major immigration decisions.